Hey friends, if the ChkDsk scan does not run at startup in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, I'll explain what happens basically. When you run the ChkDsk scan, it asks you to restart your computer. When you restart the computer, the ChkDsk scan initiates. It needs a very long time for HDD systems, even many hours. And if that is the case, then it is the fault of a certain registry entry. I mean, it should start at startup. If it doesn't, then it is the fault of a certain registry entry. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on registry editor to open the registry editor window. Now go to this option here, which is, okay, I'll expand it to show it better. HKey local machine, software, then go to system, HKey local machine, system, and then current control set. Wait. And then we'll go to control and then sessions manager. Okay. So we will go to the sessions manager option under system control, and then we'll go to sessions manager. Now in the right pane, there's an entry named boot execute. Double click on it. The value should be auto check space auto chk and then the star symbol. I'll repeat, auto check space auto chk and then the star symbol. If it is anything else, then change it and then click on OK. And this will solve the problem for most of the users. If it does not, then you can perform an SFC scan on your system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.